Hi guys, it's Diamond. I'm so excited here because today I have two big news to you guys. Yes, the first one is the about Black Friday. Yes, now we are because it's our first time to make the special sale in our shop. So I want to make sure that we are very exciting to you guys too. So from now to the 30th of the November, and there we'll have a special sale in my shop. Okay, so the special sale is here. You can all the products in my shop. Okay, not including the magnet clip and the small stuff. Only the notebooks cover. Okay, all the notebooks covers in my shop all have 15% off. And one more important thing is the free shipping. Okay, so we know the shipping already cost you guys a lot. So now all the products here in my shop we are all free shipping and with 15% off. Okay, and until now you see the video, and to the 30th in the November. Okay, so just go get the crazy sale now. Okay, so and the second thing I want to show you guys, the new hobo wigs design is here too. Yes, we can see here. It's a brad closure here, closure strap here. Okay, and we can open it. Here has a big pocket in the cupboard, and pen up here too. Okay, so we can see here are 4 card slots. Yes, so you can put many stickers over the small stuffs in the pocket too. And here has a big room here too. And this one is the Hobo Wigs 2020. Yes, so it's here and very beautiful. And also it will put in my shop too. And the leather is the brownie, and we are so glad the brownie already finally come back to my shop. So today is my lucky day, and I wish I just launched the new sale, the new sale for Black Friday. We are also going to very well and going to very smoothly. Okay, so the brownie is here, and the new design of the hobo wigs is here too. If you guys like it, just go get it. Okay, so and all the details of the special sale you can see my website or see my Facebook page. Okay, I will also write down there, and there are also have a few small details like if you over $100 you will get the free gift, and over $200 you will get what free gift too. And when you attach the 300, and you will get what. Yes, so all the special sale details is all will put down here, and you guys can see it. So I want to say it's time to let the LeCow and Le-Right explosion in the world. Okay, hope you guys will help me and will support me. Okay, see you guys soon. Bye bye.